Hey everyone, it's Angel Valenciano here, and I just woke up. Yeah, um, so whatever. It's busted open in authentic, rapid style. No, Angie, she's teaching us the elbow grease method, which is doing 90, yeah, 90 videos really. But that one is a video a day for 90 days. So it is, and so it is. That's day one was yesterday. I did that video. This is gonna be day two of the 90-day challenge. Starting now. Okay, so there's day two for 90-day challenge. Also though, I'm gonna cross mogenate. Yes, I woke up. This is whatever. This is gonna be called a day in the life of the crazy local kid from Oshawa, Ontario, Canada. Why is that? Because not only am I gonna do the 90 videos in 90 days, 90-day challenge. Too many freaking numbers, Bastos. I'm also doing 100 videos in one day, and that day I chose is today. So this is going to be the longest one of the 100 videos in one day. I hope all that makes sense. Anyways, those are my guitars. I'm going to probably play 100 songs today. That's how I'm going to get through this video, or this video challenge. Peace, namaste. Hit the button.